What's going on, everyone? I'm back again for another video. In this video, we will be looking at the brand new iOttie iTAP 2 wireless charging dashboard mount for your car. This iOttie iTAP 2 charger just got released this month, and I'm the lucky guy who's gonna review the mount and show you guys how to install one in your car. Alright, let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, let's put the box aside. Here we got the instruction manual booklet. We got the micro USB adapter charger for the mount. And we got some mounting accessory for the mount. Okay, 2-year warranty. And there we go. This is the mount. Got a suction cup on the bottom. And see where there's two indentation on the bottom right there? That's the two earth magnetic. And with that, you know, with even extreme driving, your phone is not going to go anywhere once it mounts to the iTAP 2 mount. Okay, let's put it aside. Okay, let's open the mounting accessory and check it out and see what they have in here. This will be the guide for the magnetic. Let me see if you could see. I can show you, because there's a cutout right here, right there. Okay, you see that cutout? That's the cutout for the metal plate that goes on to the back of your phone. That's the guide for it. And this is the dashboard pad. What you do, you peel the tape off and stick it onto your dashboard where you want the mount to be. Stick it on there, so the suction cup right here, we're able to stick to it like that. Okay, that's the dashboard pad. And there's a protective film. Protective film right here will stick to the back of your phone like that, where you can put the metal plate. What it is just protect your phone later on, just in case you want to remove the metal plate, it doesn't damage the surface of your phone. So this, what it do is, it's just, we're gonna stick right onto the back of your phone, and then you're gonna stick the metal plate right on top of it. Okay, and then later on, it's easier to remove the metal plate. There you go. So I have a Note 9. This is how we're gonna install the metal plate onto your phone. Okay, in this booklet there's a guide, so we're gonna check this out. Okay, look at the guide. Here you go. All right, they have the guide for the iPhone X, iPhone XR, iPhone XS Max, the Samsung S9, Samsung S9 Plus, and the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. That's what I have, so I'm gonna follow this guide right here. Okay, and as you can see right here, the outer circle right there go right underneath the Samsung word right there on the back of the phone. So that's where I'm gonna place this placement guide in the back of the phone. So right there. Okay, and let's get closer right there. See where Samsung is at, and the outer circle right underneath it. So after you are done aligning the guide, you just peel off Okay, peel this off. The sticker right here, peel it off. And then before you actually press it on, make sure that it's still aligned. And then press the sticky tape onto your phone. Okay, now there you go. Okay, because you need to do this. If you don't, your phone is not gonna charge correctly, because it needs to be right where the magnetic charger is at. It's probably somewhere. So let's say magnetics right there. See, I think the magnetic QI charging plate is right here. So you need to place it correctly to the center of your phone, in the back of your phone, for it to charge properly. Okay, so please use the guide to do that. And then now here is the protective film. What you do is stick it to the back underneath where you're going to place your magnetic plate. Okay, right there. And then just peel off the sticker, the tape, and tape it on. And then you grab your magnetic, the metal plate, peel off the tape, peel off the tape here, and then you stick it in right where the cutout is at for the metal plate, and you put it right there. Okay, because I'm not gonna peel everything off, because I have a case, so I'm not gonna mount this onto my phone, because I'm not gonna take my case off every time I need to use the mount to charge my phone. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this metal plate onto the case instead, onto my phone. Okay, I'm just show you guys how to do this on the actual phone if you guys don't have a case. So that's how it's gonna be. Okay, that's how you use the placement guide to mount the metal plate on your phone. I'm not gonna do that for mine, so I'm gonna show you how to do on the case. So I'm gonna put my case back on. Right there, okay. Now, with the case, it's a little bit more tricky. So what I do is I use a ruler. So, because you put a ruler across on the back of your case, align it, and what you do is, so this is 6.5 inches, right? So I'm gonna go right in the center and mark it right at 3 inches and a quarter. 3 inches, a quarter. So what I do, I use a piece of tape to mark it. 3 inches and a quarter, right there. Okay, that's the center of my case. I'll take it out. Let's mark it right there. Now I put on here. You grab the metal plate placement guide again. So where I put the tape to mark the center of the back of the case, you see where this plus is? You align it to the top of that tape right there. That's where I mark the center of the case. So I move over, I align it right there. Okay, make sure you align it straight on the back of your case. And when you're done, just like again, peel the backing of this the tape, and then just make sure the guide didn't move, and then press down the tape part up here to keep the guide in place. There you go. Okay, now for the earlier with the actual phone, you need to put the protective film on the back of the phone. With the case, it's not necessary. You don't need to. So I'm not going to do that, because you know, the case, if it get damaged, I'll go get a new one. But for mine, I have this design with a rigid design. It's not going to go flat, so I'm not going to put one on. But if you know, you have a flat case in the flat surface on your, you have a flat surface case If you want, you can put the protective film on there to protect your case if you want, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, and then grab the metal plate right there. See, that's where I'm going to put my metal plate. Okay, so what we do is just peel off the sticker in the back here. There you go. Make sure you don't put your finger onto the adhesive right here, okay? Because if your finger got dust on itself, it's not going to stick that well. So make sure you don't touch the sticky surface on the metal plate. And then right here, there's a cutout. You align the metal plate onto the cutout, okay? Right inside the cutout. Okay, so it's aligned, and then after it's aligned, just press it down onto your case. Press the metal plate down securely, okay? Make sure it sticks. Then after that, you just lift up the guy and just take it off, and you're done. Okay, there we go. And let's test it. Right there, see? It's not moving anywhere. Look at this. Okay. Okay. Now, if you guys have a thicker case, what you do is you want to test, if you want to use your case with the mount, what you do is just plug in the mount and test your case first before you actually do all this, because they only give you 2 metal plates. You don't want to mess up. So what I do is, I already know that my case will work with the wireless charging because it's not that thick, and I tested already. So what I do is, before I mount this, I plug in the power adapter to test this to see if it actually works with my case. So right there, it's on. Okay, there you go, the green light, that means on. It's only will charge, or the power will turn on when you attach your phone to it. So with the case right here, and you align it, the magnetic with the 2 earth magnetic on the mount right there, and you see the phone's charging. Green light, it's charging right there. Next, we're gonna go to the car and mount the iTAP 2 onto the dashboard. Okay, let's install the mount in the car. Here you go, this is the mount. Now, to mount the iTAP 2 onto your windshield, you don't need the dashboard pad. All you do is make sure you clean the surface where you're going to put the mount. Make sure it's clean so you get a secure suction on the glass, okay? Clean it real good. And in the back here, peel off the plastic and make sure the lever right here is up before you actually attach to the windshield, okay? And then just put it in the location where you want. Then push the lever down to secure the mount. Okay, there you go. And it's very secure. Now, let's try it with my phone. There you go. Okay, it's not moving anywhere. Just take it off. And to remove it, there's a little plastic tab on the suction cup. Just pull that, okay? Pull it off. There you go. That's how you, here, this tab right here. When you, to remove the mount, just pull onto the tab, okay? Just peel it off that way. Come right off. Now for the dashboard, make sure you clean the dashboard. There's no dust or anything on there. Here's the dashboard pad. Peel the adhesive backing off. There you go. It's pretty strong. So then stick it to where you want to mount the iTAP to. Put it right there. Okay, and then press it down. Okay, like that. And here's the mount. Make sure the tap is up. Stick it right onto the dashboard pad and then push the lever down to lock it in place. All right, there you go. And then mount your phone. Right there, guys. Very easy and simple. Just make sure you clean out the area where you're gonna mount your iTAP to, okay? Yeah, the micro USB plug into the charging port right here. I don't know if you guys see it, but it should be right there, okay? Plug it in. Go. And then put some dashboard, push down the lever. Then right here, plug this into your cigarette lighter. Okay, let's put the phone on the mount. And it's charging. Awesome.